In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can set up an automatic response email using Gmail. So what is an automatic response? Well, basically when you can't answer all the email because probably you are in holiday or you just cannot do it in real time, but they start to accumulate and you need time to answer all the emails and you want to take some time, you can use an automatic response email. You can use what is called an autoresponder. Now, there are a lot of services out there that do this autoresponder email, but in this video I want to show you Gmail, because if you have a Gmail account, then it's going to be totally free. Now, this is Gmail right here, and we are inside the settings. Now, to get here, let me go back, for example, in the drafts. Okay, now this is the standard page of Gmail. This is the draft. The same, you will find it in inbox and other pages. Now, if we need to set the automatic response, we need to go right here at the top on the right next to your account icon and click on this little engine icon right here. And you can see here you have other settings that could be interesting, but we are going forward here, clicking on see all settings, because we want to get to the autoresponder or vacation. So let's go all the way down, just scroll all the way down, search for vacation responder, and this is the one that you want to set if you want to get an automatic response. So basically you need to turn it on or off. It depends on what you need to do. You can set an interval, so you can say, okay, I'm gonna start to do this on this day, May the 3rd, and then I want to stop it in a precise date, or maybe not. I just want to never stop it. So we'll just uncheck this one here, and when I am done with this, when I don't want it anymore, I can come back and set it to off. Okay, now you will write here your subject, which could be hello there, and then here you have the message. Now you can use all the standard tools that you find in Gmail, like bold, or you can find different sides of your text. So you can say, hi there, now I am not available, but I will respond later. Thanks. Or you can say, well, more things, more information, but just to show you that this is just like a standard email. You can now work with bold and other text formatting here. You can also add images and links, and you can also insert bulleted list, numbered list, change the indent, and well, all the other stuff that you're gonna check by yourself. Now you can also activate this option here, which could be important. So it's gonna send a response only to the people in your contacts. So anyone who's not in your contacts will not receive this email. So be careful on this. Once you finish, you click Save Changes, and that's it. It's set. Now, every time you're gonna receive an email from anyone, that guy is gonna receive a automatic response email. And you can also come back here and change it anytime you want. So I'm gonna turn it off now, like that, save changes, and that's it. So it's pretty easy and straightforward, and you can do this basically with any email that you have. They would probably have the similar settings, so just look for it, you're gonna find it, or you can ask for the support to find it from the service that you've chosen. Now, this is our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, check our other videos, the latest videos here, and also in the playlists you will find professional English video courses for video editing and graphic design, 3D modeling, rendering, and other stuff. And if you go all the way down this page, you will find all the English video guides on the use of the web and software, PC, and other stuff here. Just give it a look. And again, Please also support us in the community page. You will find some links that you can use to also get rewarded and support us as well, and also other projects that we do. And also you can support us with the store. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.